Howdy folks, welcome to the shop. We're working on the Ford 861. I haven't made some video of it. Just really haven't felt up to making videos with the chemo treatment and stuff going on. But anyway, thought I'd make a short video here about how I paint parts. Now these parts are primed and they've been sitting here for about a half hour since I finished them. The primer I'm using, you kind of get after it right away with your first coat of paint, and I'm just using cheap rattle can paint from the farm store and my handy dandy paint booth on a stick, because we're in Minnesota and we have everything on a stick. It's just cardboard stapled to some plywood here. So welcome to the paint booth on a stick. Enjoy. On a side note, on the paint booth and the stick, I got the doors open part way for a little bit of breeze through here for fresh air. But by having the doors open, I have to keep the furnace on all the time, my torpedo heater. Otherwise it gets too cold to paint. So, as I said, enjoy the paint booth on a stick. Let's take our paint booth. There we go, paint booth on a stick. Oh, and we don't worry about breathing the fumes. We already got cancer. Well, maybe we can get it worse, but we already got it. Paint booth on a stick, folks. Gotta get more Minnesotan than that. Yes, sir. There we go. Paint booth on a stick. Seriousness, this is the best I have to work with in this space. It's too cold outside because it's still winter. So this is mostly for comedic purposes and what I have to work with. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.